position of particle is given by x is equal to 4t minus t square, then find out distance traveled by particle from t is equal to 0 second to t is equal to 3 second. Now when time is 0, then x is equal to 4 into 0 minus 0 square. So x is equal to 0. So when time is 0, position of the particle is 0. X is equal to 0. Now find out the speed. At which time speed or velocity is 0? Then v is equal to differentiation of x with respect to time. So it is 4 minus 2t. When v is 0, then 4 is equal to 2t. So t is equal to 2 seconds. It means that t is equal to 2 second time, velocity is 0. When velocity is 0, then particle change the direction of motion. See here, t is equal to 0 time, particle is at x is equal to 0. But when time t is equal to 2 seconds, its velocity is here 0. It means particle change the direction of motion. And here we want to find distance traveled by a particle from t is equal to 0 second to t is equal to 3 second. So when t is equal to 2 second, x is equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 meter. So here x is equal to 4 meter. But when t is equal to 3 second, then x is equal to 4 into 3 minus 3 square. So 12 minus 9, it means 3 meter. So when time t is equal to 3 second, x is equal to 3 meter. So what is total distance traveled? Total distance is equal to 0 to 4 meter and 4 to 3 meter. It means 4 meter plus 1 meter. So total distance is 5 meter. Thank you.